Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're on a very specific mission. We're going to cut straight through the noise, basically, and pull out the key dates and the tickers for what look like the top 5 crypto airdrops listing in October 2025. This is all based on the source material you shared.
Exactly. And, with these listing schedules, what you really need is the raw data, the when and the what. That's what cuts through it all. So think of this as a quick start guide focusing just on that.
Okay, perfect. So let's unpack this chronologically, starting with the earliest date we've got confirmed in the material. That seems to be Pipe Network. Foundational DeFi stuff, looks like. And the source clearly states their listing date is October 8th. The ticker is simple too, just Pipe.
Right. And that clarity is, well, it's actually pretty important. When you see a firm date like October 8th and a straightforward ticker like Pipe, especially for infrastructure, it signals confidence. It tells market participants, okay, these guys are organized. It's kind of the gold standard compared to, vague promises. Moves a lot of guesswork.
Makes sense. Okay, moving on just 6 days later. Things get a little different. We're looking at Fleek, and the material highlights this unique code word they're using for the listing event, the Cheech, spelled CH-ICH. That event is down for October 14th.
Yeah, the Cheech. It's interesting they focused on that term. Looking into it, it seems like Cheech is their internal name for the main token distribution phase, like the governance token unlock. So the date, October 14th, seems solid. But using jargon like Cheech, well, it's maybe less accessible than just saying listing, right?
Yeah.
Unlike Pipe's approach.
That's a really good point. Okay, and then we barely catch our breath because the next one is literally the day after. Sources confirm the Intuition airdrop is scheduled for October 15th.
No. Intuition. And that's more in the decentralized data and identity space. So if you connect that back, Pipe Network, Fleek, Intuition, you see this cluster, right? The 8th, 14th, 15th. It really looks like the market's prioritizing getting that foundational infrastructure listed first early in the month. These are the building blocks.
Right, it's setting the stage. Okay, then we jump forward about a week, and the focus shifts. Our fourth one is Blue Whale AI. Definitely hitting that AI trend. This one is landing on October 21st.
And importantly, like Pipe, they've given us a clear ticker to Blue AI, BLUAI. So yeah, this one landing later in October, it sort of rounds out that initial rush we saw. And again, the source highlights that they provided both the date and the ticker. That clarity seems key.
Definitely seems to be a pattern with the confirmed ones. Okay, now the last project on the list, this one's a bit different. 375 AI. They've apparently put out an update about their token, which the source notes they call the Age AI token.
Yeah, the Age AI token. From the docs, that's just their name for the main 375 AI platform token, likely governance. But here's the thing, the update just says it's coming soon. The source included it, probably because it's high profile, but there's no actual date pinned down, just very soon. That's all the official updates say.
Okay, so that's the crucial distinction then. We've got 4 projects with pretty solid dates, October 8th, 14th, 15th, and 21st. And then this 5th one, 375 AI, which is still, well, up in the air. That difference between a firm date and very soon is huge if you're trying to plan anything.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It highlights the uncertainty that still exists. 4 seem locked in, 1 introduces risk, which brings up an interesting point for you, the listener, to think about based on this material. Why include 375 AI at all if the date isn't firm? And thinking about adoption, what works better long-term, that specific jargon like the Chich or the super clear ticker like Pipe? Which approach helps users more?
Yeah, definitely something to mull over as you digest these updates. Thanks for joining us for this quick deep dive into the October 2025 schedule.